Hi everyone, Christy McCammon here, Life Unbinged. I share tips, tricks, tools, and recipes on helping you on your journey towards food freedom. I'm going to show you one of my favorite breakfast meals. These are called banana oat cookies. I've learned there are a lot of people in bright line eating or who don't eat sugar and flour who don't like to call things cookies or cakes. It doesn't personally bother me, but I was asking my family to come up with another name, and my 8-year-old daughter called them banana oat yummies. You can call them yummies, call them cookies, whatever you want to call them, doesn't matter. Regardless of what you call them, I'm going to show you how to make them. So you start with 1 ounce of oats, and you need 2 ounces of nuts. And I split mine between peanut butter or nut butter and actual walnuts. So I have a 1.5 ounce of natural peanut butter and a 1/2 ounce of walnuts, and then you need your fruit. So it's 6 ounces of fruit. So I do about 4 ounces of banana, which is about 1 medium-sized banana, and then blueberries. And I'll show you what I do with those as I make them. And then just about a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. So I just mix it together, and then I'll show you in the next step. Now I'm ready to put it on the tray, and I basically just kind of score it into 4 portions, and it makes 4 yummies or 4 cookies, or if you come up with a better name, let me know. Okay, and then I like to add the blueberries on top, so it doesn't discolor everything or get it purple. It's still fine, but it looks better this way. So now for the blueberries. Now I add the blueberries on top so they kind of melt into them. I've done the first one so you can see what it looks like. All I do is I just take kind of a scoop, put it on top, and just push them down a little bit. Now they're ready to go into the oven, 400 degrees, about 20 minutes. Here is the finished product. This is 1 complete breakfast serving, so I get to sit and eat the entire serving of this. I like to have it with a cup of coffee, and I don't put sugar in my coffee anymore, so drinking it black was not my favorite thing, but then I realized I could put a cinnamon stick in, and it just flavors it great. So I hope you try it out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss an upload.